India will witness a new dawn on August 15, 2024 as the nation celebrates its 78th year of independence. This great country, once shackled by an era of slavery, has journeyed into an era marked by growth, prosperity and greatness. In the year 2014, the country experienced a significant transformation when a man with deep patriotism and a commitment to serve became the Prime Minister of India. His leadership has profoundly changed the landscape of the nation, taking the nation towards a brighter future. In the 67 years between 1947 and 2014, the nation saw few major achievements. However, in the past 10 years, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India has reached significant milestones. He has propelled India from the 10th to the 5th largest economy globally. A leader of promises and deliveries, PM Modi has transformed the nation, bringing it to new heights. In his 2014 Independence Day speech, Prime Minister Modi spoke about the importance of financial inclusion for millions of Indians who had been excluded from the country's financial systems. He promised that every Indian, regardless of their class or financial status, would have access to a bank account. This promise led to the creation of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Since then, a remarkable 52.99 crore accounts have been opened under this initiative, fulfilling the commitment made in 2014 and bringing financial empowerment to millions across the nation. Swachh Bharat, an initiative for excellence, was launched in 2014, has been a revolutionary scheme of the Modi government. In 2024, more than 10 crore houses have toilets. Over the past 10 years, significant initiatives have been undertaken to promote the prosperity of rural India. Programs like the Adarsh Gram Yojana and the Jal Jeevan Mission have been groundbreaking for remote areas, driving substantial progress in rural development and improving the quality of life for millions across the country. The Adarsh Gram Yojana has significantly transformed villages across India. As part of this initiative, the Honorable Prime Minister announced from the ramparts of the Red Fort the ambitious goal of electrifying every village within 1,000 days. This target was successfully achieved in just 987 days. In 2019, the Jal Jeevan Mission was launched, marking another major step forward in rural development. This initiative aims to provide tap water connections to every household in villages. As of today, more than 14 crore households now have access to tap water supply in their homes, reflecting the success of this vital program. The Make in India initiative, launched in the year 2014, gave a significant boost to India's manufacturing sector, positively impacting employment, entrepreneurship and the economy. This momentum was further strengthened by the Atmanirbhar Bharat program in 2020, which has been a major success for the country. Key initiatives like the Production-Linked Incentive (PLI) schemes, the growth of MSMEs and the substantial infrastructure development have enhanced India's global reputation and reinforced its vision of becoming the third largest economy in the world. 8 years ago, in 2016, the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was launched to provide crop insurance for the farmers of this country. By March 2024, 56.80 crore farmer applications had been enrolled under the scheme and over 23.22 crore farmers received claims amounting to more than 1.55 lakh crore. This initiative has played a crucial role in supporting the Annadata of India by safeguarding their livelihood against crop losses. COVID-19 was one of the deadliest viral outbreaks in history, claiming millions of lives around the world. Tragically, many Indians were also affected by this pandemic. After the global outbreak of COVID-19 in 2020, India undertook a massive vaccination campaign. By October 2022, the country had administered 220 crore doses to its citizens, making significant strides in protecting its population from the virus. Promises and lies have a very thin line in between, which is known as delivery. Prime Minister Modi in his regime of the past 10 years had made several promises and have delivered all of them. His vision of making India a third largest economy and a Viksit nation by 2047.